Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including a sugar substitute like erythritol, almond flour, and a few large eggs. You'll also need baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract for flavor. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for baking. This ensures a consistent temperature from the start. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the almond flour, sugar substitute, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, vanilla extract, and any liquid sweetener or oil. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake tough. Now pour your cake batter into a prepared 8-inch round baking pan, lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. Place it into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Baking times can vary slightly, so keep an eye on it. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This crucial step helps it firm up before you handle it. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, you can slice and enjoy your delicious, guilt-free zero cake. It's perfect for a healthy treat or a special occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.